Hi, I'm Elvie. We're going to test this brand new Stihl 400 chainsaw. It just came to the United States. Just got here, and we picked up this new saw, 2 of them. We're going to test it out on this Green Gables log house. I'm going to cut this wall off here and right here along these marks. This is going to be an arched, rounded opening in this log interior wall. And so we're going to see how this saw cuts. I have never used this saw before. It's brand new. I just started it up just to warm it up, and it's brand spanking new, and we're going to see how it cuts. We're pretty excited. We just learned about it. We just got it, and so let's cut this off and see what happens. It's impressive. The saw is super light. I've probably never ran a saw this light with this much power. The handling is impressive. It's well put together. It's a pro saw, and this is definitely going to be a winner. And this is a saw that Meadowlark Log Homes is going to probably be using a lot of. Good job Stihl, guys, and very excited. If you want to get a Stihl 400, you're going to have to talk to a Stihl saw shop. If you want a Meadowlark Log Homes, a Green Gables, you can go to our website, meadowlarkloghomes.com. And thanks for watching.